how to self-host N8N inside VPS server. We will going to use Contabo VPS. So let's start the tutorial. The very first step, go to Contabo. I have provided the link below. Click on it and go to Contabo website. Or you can simply type kukucourses.com/my/Contabo. It's my affiliate link so that you can support me without any extra cost. So if you want to support my channel, use my link below, click on it and visit to Contabo website. Go to VPS and from the VPS you will see the option here which says N8N VPS. Click on it, grab any plan you need. I will suggest this basic workload will going to support majority of your tasks. Now that's depend on you. Anytime you can upgrade. So for now I will go with, let's say, this plan, simple tasks, and below you can see how much CPU, RAM and all the features it provides. I will click on get started, set the password. Now as you can see, the password should only be characters. So whatever password you set, make sure you save it somewhere else. Click on next. Now it will ask you two things. If you are new to Contabo, you can fill this data. If you already are the Contabo customer, you can select here. I will select here. I will log in. If you are new, just fill this all form and click on next. Then it will show you this pop-up. I protect my data. You can select the plan. I will suggest to go for 12 months plan, as here you will going to save a lot of money. Okay, as this is just a tutorial, so I'm just going with 1 month plan, and here you can see how much you will pay and total cost including tax. If you have any coupon code, you can enter it right over here. Click on order and pay. If this pop-up comes up, just select anything and submit. Cross it, and as you can see, the order has been done. Now generally take few minutes and you will going to get notification on the email with your logins. Then you can install your favorite application including N8N on your server. Very soon you will receive your login data, but make sure after that you should go to this link which is new.contabo.com/servers/VPS. Here you will basically be able to see your VPS server. Now you can simply click on this option, okay, of N8N. Click on it. Now you will see something like this. Now it will take max to max 30 minutes to get installed. So after 30 minutes, try it out again and check this URL. So you can see after waiting for few minutes, now if you click it again right over here, you will see this type of structure. Now just put your email, first name, last name and password, and then click on next button. Perfect. Now you're inside your N8N fresh account. It will ask you few questions. Answer it. Anything you want, doesn't matter. Click on get started. On your email ID, they will send you free license key. Click on it. Then you will see I have received just now an email with my license key. Copy it. Go to your settings below, usage and plan. Click here, enter activation key. Paste your activation key. Activate. Perfect. Now your N8N is ready to use. You can create perfect automation from here. Also, you can just search for Kuku courses. Go to kukucourses.com. Go to courses. Select public. And right here, agent. You will find a free tutorial AI agent and automation full course with N8N. Tap on it. It's totally 3 hours 30 minutes free tutorial. Click on start course. Discuss about and watch the tutorial from here. Also you can go to courses and search for N8N. And you can also look for my N8N automation 17 hours course which is paid. You can just purchase one time, or through membership you can go to pricing at membership and access all my paid courses including N8N. So this is just a small tutorial how you can set up N8N, and I have also shared my free N8N course which you can watch from my website. Also you can support me by getting N8N paid course or my membership. So hope you love this small video. Make sure you like it, and if you have any doubts, comment.